Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an authorized user on Citibank credit card. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, is simply log in into citi.com. If you're using the browser example, make sure to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't, go and open an account. I've already made a video helping you how to create an account. Of course, the same will be for the phone. If you have a Citi app, if you don't, you need to download it. If you have it, just open it and sign in using the user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you enable this before, or register for an account if you don't have an account. So now how to add an authorized user to Citibank credit card. As you can see, new authorized users can be added to Citi A Advantage, Business, or other eligible Citi A Advantage small business credit card quickly and easily on citi.com or the mobile app and their services, or by contacting, of course, Citi using the number in the back of your card. So how can you manage your authorized user? So as you can see here, there is a PDF that will help you through that example. So you'll have to log in into your A Advantage business account, as example, in here. Make sure to go and log in into that. As example, you can go here and click on login, and you will have to log in into your account. So once you do so, oh, never mind. This is even not of Citibank. So this is like the one for Citibank. So here's an example. Let's just go to whatever we want exactly. So yeah, this is what I want exactly. So you have to log in into your accounts here. Once you logged in, of course, you'll have to go to services, then credit card service, then select authorized user. You'll find this right there on credit card services. Once you do so, you'll have to enter authorized user personal information and permissions. You'll have to enter the authorized user personal information, and you'll need to provide the first and last name, date of birth, address, their middle initial, of course, and phone number are optional. And if you have more than one Citi credit card, select which one to add the authorized user to. And of course, the new credit card will be mailed to your home address. And you can also choose whether the authorized user can have online access to your account. So yeah, that's how you basically use it or do it. So you can simply just go and add, or once you click, of course, on authorized users, you can simply click on add, and you will be able to add this, filling up the information that we said or we mentioned before. Is there any fees for adding an authorized user on credit card? There are no fees, and you can add up to 10 authorized users at no cost, including the premium, of course, which has a 450 annual fee, including complimentary admission to Admiral Club Lounge for the card holder. And should you add an authorized user to your Citi card, before adding someone as an authorized user, it's important to understand the pros and cons. If you are not careful, the negative effects, of course, could significantly impact your credits for years. So keep that in mind. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.